remember when love was all that mattered. I do remember how I used to make you laugh until it hurt. Now those memories felt like thorns on a patch, a rose I can no longer touch. You're just another scar placed on my heart, a sign that we are made to be apart. And even though you might not be the one, I'm gonna miss you daily.
Hello guys, happy Valentine's Day. Officially Lovers Day. Oh, people will get love. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today oh, people will get vow. Surprise their vow. How we go do? How you guys doing? It's another beautiful day. In case this is the first time you're welcome, guess who is with me today? The Iron Lady herself. Oh my, this game. So I said let me open this vlog because we are going to do something very special to somebody special too. So our brother wants to surprise his fiancée. Okay, wants to engage his fiancée. So as the people in the women in his life first committee of want to go and do small decor for them. Oh, it's not gonna be easy today. Pereira will protect today. So in case this is your first time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you're not subscribed, please do it to hit the subscribe button below, to like, share, to comment, and to know when I upload a new video. Don't forget to turn on your notification button. So I just said let me open this vlog because I'm going to carry you guys all through the decor and the engagement party and the oh God, when I beg. So you guys should stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like my videos when you watch them.
Fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
So we're here for the decor. This is very easy. We're using hot now lounge at Akairo. This is so beautiful. God, right now. God, right now. Our bouquet is looking fine. Someone is about to say yes to the love of our life. To the love of our life. God, when oh. So we're using hobnob lounge at Akairo. This is oh my God. So I and my friend want to decorate just little space for them to say, will you be my vow and the love of my life? Will you accept me as the man in your life? Oh my God, this moment is really always very beautiful moment. The decor, the decorator. You ready? Hello. Ready? So this is the green. No, that machine in there. You're coming our video. Good. My boo. That's a serious businesswoman. Who wants to do? I love you. Marry me. Forever is the goal.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that's fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something that's fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn it on, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, eyes closed.
Soon to be bright. Say hello to my camera. Hi.
You and me got a whole other meaning. I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So this is what we made. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And happy Valentine's. Your love and life. You're done with it.
So
waiting for the rest.
You need got a whole other meaning. Yeah, I don't know how. You need just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
It's me that is remaining. My own is coming. My is coming. So guys, my younger brother ordered for a gift for me, a Valentine's gift, and guess what? So he didn't tell me he had ordered something for me. It's supposed to come as a surprise, I knew, but when I got the call from the driver first, they said the delivery was going to Omok, and I'm not in Omok, I'm in Port Harcourt. So I got confused at some point, and I told them the gift wasn't for me. The rider that went to deliver it to the park called me again that he had a package for me given to him by somebody, a vendor, and I still told him that it is not for me. I insulted him because in this country you have to be careful, you know. So after much argument, it happened that it was my brother that sent the gift. The rider refused to deliver my gift, guys. It took him 2 days before he delivered it. So here is it, and I love the gift, and I just want to say thank you, bro. I love you. This package means a lot to me. So guys, let's watch the rest of the videos. I just had
tell me to leave you alone, but I can't stay away. I know I should let you go, but there's something telling me no. I know I should let you be, but I keep on thinking
when love was all that mattered. I do remember how I used to mark, sign that we are made to be apart. And even though you might not be the one, I'm gonna miss you daily. Remember when love was all that mattered. I do remember how I used to make you laugh until it hurt. Now those memories felt like thorns on a patch, a rose I can no longer touch. You're just another scar placed on my heart, a sign that we are made to be apart. And even though you might not be the one, I'm gonna miss you.